All right, I'm going to be staying at the Residence Inn Louisville Airport. It's pretty close to the Kentucky Exposition Center, so let's go check in and check out this room. This is what it looks like outside. Very residential looking. All right, this is room 302, Residence Inn at the Louisville, Kentucky Airport. And as you can see, it is a pretty nice and spacious room. So I got the single bed. I think it's a king. Don't hold me to that. And I'll probably be able to put that in the description. But as you can see, it's got a full kitchen. And dishwasher, oven, stove, fridge, pretty nice. And I'm sure there are dishes in the cupboard there like usual. Looks like the dishwasher was running. So it's also got a pretty large bathroom. Here's your vanity over here on the side. Nice area for your luggage in the closet. And a pretty good size shower. Let's see if I can get a slightly better view of that. I'm pretty impressed. It also has a large workout center downstairs. And they told me that there is, oh look at that, there's earplugs. I'm guessing because it's near the airport. That's funny. I don't think that you would notice airport noise inside, but out in the parking lot I could hear the airplanes flying over. But they told me that there is a meetup or happy hour here at the hotel that ends at 7. So around dinner time they have free drinks, including wine from what I understand, down where they serve breakfast, and then breakfast was like 7 to 9 a.m. I believe is what they said. So, really nice desk too. Great work area. And I guess I might as well show you the view from inside this room. Of course, depends on which room you get, but there is, well, I guess there's a little construction at a hotel next door, but not at this hotel. So pretty conveniently located right next to the Kentucky Exposition Center and all that, and the airport. So hope this is a helpful video for you guys.